Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I recently bought this XL cordless grass trimmer and I think now is a great time to test it out. The grass is still a bit moist but it's getting really long, so I need to give it a trim. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and review of this grass trimmer. Okay, so here is the XL cordless grass trimmer, the 18V cordless version. This is the body only, no battery and charger included with this. I bought it from Tools for Trade website, and this is what you get in the box. I've just got it all out, so I'll just go through some of the specs. It's 18 volts. The no load speed is 8,500 R per minute. So the revolutions of the motor. Cutting width is 300mm or 30 centimeters, so around a foot. And that is about it. Quite a straightforward tool. So what you get in the box is you get the manual, of course. Here's the manual. You get the strimmer or trimmer itself. Here's the head. This head is adjustable with this knob here, and it clicks into preset angles. That's nice and useful. It uses strimmer line, as you can see here, and you can feed that out. There's a button here and that will pull out, and then you let go, and it's already preloaded on here as well. And it has an adjustable length, so you can pull this out, make it longer, bring it in, tighten it back up. You've got a 2-trigger safety switch here that you operate with your thumb and then the rest of your hand. Yeah, and the handle goes on here, and that can also be adjusted, the angle of that. You also get the hood, the protective hood there. It says on here 96 decibels operational volume. That's not too bad, and that's, I'd say, about average in my experience with cordless grass trimmers. Here is the handle that you get as well, and it comes also with this, which I'm guessing is some kind of a flower guard that stops you from going too close to your flowers and cutting them, and too close to walls and things like that. And it has a roller on it so that you can roll it along a surface. That is about it. So what I'll do now is I'll get all this assembled, screwed together, and we'll take a closer look at it, and then we'll give it a test. So the handle is easy to put on. You can just compress these parts here. There we go, and that clicks into place nicely. So if you want to adjust that, you push these in and it will adjust. Perfect. That was easy. Then you got the flower guard. There's just 2 small screws to attach it. I'm just following the image on the box here as a reference. This connects underneath here. There's 2 holes, and there's 2 little sort of locating folded over bits of metal, so you know you're in the right place. That's that bit done. Now this back cover, that just clicks into place like so, And there's a screw again to keep that in position. Just goes here. And that's done. Okay, so that is about it for this video. First impressions of the grass trimmer. I think it's very good. I do like the size of the head. It's probably the biggest one I've used so far, and it just gets the job done quicker. There's a larger diameter covered by the string here, so it gets the job done a bit quicker, and it's got plenty of power. I was a bit worried about the power, but even through wet grass that's a bit long, damp grass, it had no problem cutting through it. It's nice and adjustable. It's got the adjustment here on the head with the presets. You can angle it where you want it. The pole extends out, and you can twist the head when you're doing trimming around edges. It's also got this flower guard that works well with the roller here. At this end, this works well. The trigger feels good. Battery life, no problem at all. I just did that whole area, and I've still got 2 bars left on the battery. So battery life is not an issue either. All in all, I think it's a decent strimmer if you've got a small garden. Home use, not for professional use. And it does a good job. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.